Hi folks, welcome to the second in our quick fix series of little jobs around the van. Now today I want to talk to you about a spongy floor. Right, so don't be concerned too much about a spongy floor. The floor is made of a laminated wood in most cases. And in most cases, if it's spongy, all that means is some of the laminations have come apart and air is getting underneath it. So that's what causes the spongy effect. So it's not detrimental, it's not the floor's not going to fall in, but that's what it means. Now there is a quick fix, especially if, like us, you're on the road, like we're on to the end of the year. Now what you need for that quick fix is one of these. Now you might recognise that. This is to pump up a football or some other sporting equipment, a valve. You also need some medium expanding foam and a drill bit that matches the diameter of this valve here. So I'm going to show you my floor, which is here, and what I did. I drilled a few holes around the area that was spongy, making sure not to drill all the way through the floor, just into the lamination that has come up. I then attached my valve here to the hose that comes with the expanding foam, and I injected the holes with that expanding foam, noting that once I'd done it, I put something flat and heavy on top of it so the expansion foam doesn't come up and create a bubble like that. And that was important. Now once I've done that and it's all dried out, what I have done is I've also invested in a sort of cheap piece of plyboard like that to cover the area. So not only am I standing on that, which is protecting the floor, it also feels solid as well. So once the carpet's back down, you can't even tell that there's anything wrong underneath there. If you found this video useful, give us a like and let me know what you think in the comments. See you next time.